Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Skool community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a recurring event into your Skool calendar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a recurring event into your Skool community anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, running a Skool community, you know that sometimes you're going to have weekly coaching calls or maybe monthly. And instead of scheduling it every single time, you can go ahead and set it up as a recurring event. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Skool community dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Skool community, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up a recurring event, you're going to click on calendar here on the top. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and add a new event by clicking on this plus icon. Once you do that, go ahead and name the event. So let's go ahead and maybe name this weekly coaching call for cool people. That's too many words. So let's leave it at cool. And we can go ahead and set this up. So let's go ahead and schedule this for Wednesday. And we'll set this up for, let's say, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Here's 12. And then the duration, let's say it's a 1 hour meeting. And then I'm in the Phoenix time zone, so I'm going to leave it that. And this is really important. You want to make sure it's listed as a recurring event. So now we can go ahead and set it up as a recurring. So it repeats twice a week, 5 times a week, 1 time a month, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to make that 1 time every month and monthly on the 9th. So that's good for me. And then you can go ahead and set the duration. So is this going to be for the next 10 weeks? Is it going to be continuing? You can go ahead and choose that here. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and say there's only going to be 5 occurrences. Here we can go ahead and set the location. So if you're going to be meeting in person, you can go ahead and add an address right here, 123 Main Street, or you can go ahead and add a Zoom link or a Google Meet link. That's up to you. And we scroll down, and then we can go ahead and say who is going to be able to attend this recurring event. So for me, I'm going to leave it all members, but you can choose members at a certain level or members in a course, and then you want to click on add. Okay, so now you can see our calendar event right here. And if we skip ahead 1 month, it's going to be recurring on the 9th for every single month for the next 5 months, as you see. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a recurring event in your Skool calendar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.